Hallo agus fáilte go taochannaigh. Ha mbeidh dóchas go bhfuil sibh dé seolas Johnach ar sin ar céilí bhí an dú. Tá an bhór is an a bhí an láthad an dú agus ha mbeidh dóchas go bhfuil an taispeanach seo a cóiste réimhúla agus go bhfuil inseanach. Cloinne sibh áireann is gúthain is fuaimin, tá an taispeanach seo a ha nóchach ar an chláir tach gan tine, at sa ha mi brín. Fach teachgarach neo céist is a comments. As we're very busy on Cana just now, preparing Cana House itself for a long and complex programme of renovation and interpretation works, unfortunately it's just not been possible for me to get off island to do a tour of gigs to launch this new album project, Tach and Chena. So I thought that rather than have nothing, I would ask my friends to just spend a few minutes with me by the fireside, whilst I tell you about what I hope to achieve with this album and why I've undertaken it. I've been the archivist in Cana House for the National Trust of Scotland now for nearly 8 years. I spend my time immersed in the films, photos, sound recordings, research papers and correspondence of Margaret Fay Shaw and her husband John Lorne Campbell. They've been a constant source of fascination for me for most of the past 30 years, and when I came to Cana permanently in 2015 as a singer, it seemed to be the obvious thing to do, to record an album of songs from the Cana collection. Singers and musicians have used songs collected by the Campbells many times, but there has not to date been a collection of songs from Cana House collected and recorded by John Lorne Campbell and Margaret Fay Shaw, which actually tells the story of the songs and their origins. I debated long about the format for such an album, but I decided from the outset to not rush into the process and release something quickly. Such a unique collection as the Cana collection deserves a unique and thoughtful approach from which we can all learn. And of course is the question of the amount of material I have to choose from. Margaret published 109 songs in her book Folk Songs and Folklore of South Uist, all collected in the tiny glen at North Glendale, but John collected many more in Uist, Barra, Eriskay and Nova Scotia. I decided on a short list profiling a broad spectrum of genres and contributors. Then I decided on the final playlist after I had selected the original sound archive tracks that I wanted to use. During lockdown, with time to think about the format, I decided that I would go down the route of what sort of album I believed that John and Margaret Campbell would like to hear themselves. A tribute to their friends who contributed their voices and songs for us all to learn from and enjoy today. An album not about me as a singer, singing beautiful songs, but rather a style that told the story of how these songs were collected and recorded, a sense of time and place, rather than trying to fill the score sheet with complex instrumentation and maybe trying to be too clever. I also wanted the process to be somewhat more relaxed than previous recording projects, allowing myself time to pair the songs with the appropriate archive clips and sounds. Barry Reid's lovely little studio, Rosecroft in Muirvord, was the perfect place for me to work, being close to my family home in Dingwall, where I could stay when off island. Offers peaceful, no-pressure surroundings with a sympathetic and highly skilled engineer who understood immediately what I was hoping to achieve. No producer this time. I decided that crucially, I wanted to only include the sounds which might have been heard in and around Cana House when the songs were originally collected and recorded. In effect, a fireside ceilidh in Cana House, with the speaking voices of the contributors, the sounds of the house, and the cats.
Pony? Pony? Pony, poor kitten's undone anyhow. Pony?
This is very much a personal project, so I wanted my family to be as much involved as possible. So even my little granddaughter Aoife makes her first album credit. My daughter, my son-in-law, my 2 sons, sister and a cousin all appear in the credits, and that's what it's all about. Family and friends getting together for a ceilidh. Not a perfect studio recording, but one which is sincere and thought-provoking, hopefully. We've all been apart so much through lockdown. Some of us have had health challenges, myself included. But this is a chance for us to get together and celebrate what's been gifted to us. So thank you so much to all my wonderful musician friends who helped me through all of this. To Yvonne and to Rachel, DL and Katie, James, Rain, Hami Fata Nurchomin. I'm going to select one or two tracks and play a little bit of them and explain in more detail just what I've been doing in particular. The entry track is your arrival on Cana on the Loch Nevis ferry as you approach Cana House for the Ceilidh to the sound of Cathy MacDonald's voice on the ferry. Your feet coming up the Escalonia tunnel, hearing Margaret's piano playing, to a fiddle ahead of you with the sound of a piper tuning up in the garden. Happy voices welcome us in the door and Gaelic conversations surround us. Underneath, we hear the melodious tones of Margaret's favourite song, Gilad Down, played by Yvonne, to John's laughter as the local residents tell stories.
Fáilte bit bót, Léirí teachtarach sábhachtach go dhearsta, fiach I níoste go glódais. Tá sin an áthas go cordhúir turas Gádraigh.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard this Caledonian McBrain vessel.
Fáilte, hí go stay.
Hallo, wat dat te zien?
Durham is one of my favourite songs I learned from Margaret's collections. It's a lullaby. While I was ill, I was up very early one summer morning and I heard a wee bird in the bushes at the back of my house, which I managed to capture on my phone. I sing the lullaby, learned from the singing of Peggy McRae, to lull baby Aoife to sleep, accompanied by the wee bird and the sounds of the little French cat playing midnight.
Shechuram, 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 horo. Shechuram, 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 hoi. Shechuram, ahori, horo. Shechuram, antuasa, machkruarin, naram. Shechuram, machgiai, nicht glochlin, nicht grueri. An das an cool clamach, sa kuslabin magwalain nur a chimiu chin be mo chrie magwalain ri juram mach giein ich lochlain ich gruari Hoek misje schaak blienes mi schulnen bjaun Gun hoek en gilje gun denje rim life Mi schul se schierig bad braken am life Smi feuri chien vi gruharin en aram Shajuram, shajuram Shajuram moro Shajuram, shajuram Shajuram hoi Shajuram ahuri urovaro Shajuram antuasa machkruharin en adam Getaio in sa gilje is kolach is kerk Sna hadje grog oorlein sa heter sjau is pjerst Gum baun salum tjuram golev nam grach Gure fern en groei min tjerak Gak menchen vosbrach Shajuram, shajuram, shajuram moro Shajuram, shajuram, shajuram hoi Shajuram ahuri urovaro Shajuram antuasa mach gruarin en
Margaret was very fond of milking songs and she collected many from Piggy and Mary McCree of North Glendale. She always said that it was a shame that these little songs never got heard at concerts and ceilidhs because they were so small. So here I've recorded 3 variations of the same milking song, Cheel and Co, The Cattle Will Return, based on a pipe tune, accompanied by cowbells and introduced by John Lorne Campbell, explaining the technique of using a tuning fork to indicate the correct playing speed of the recorder. And it concludes with the fine Highland pipe playing of James Duncan Mackenzie to reflect the nature of the song.
This is speed indication. The note struck is low pitch A on international scale. Use this to test the speed of the recorder when working with vibrator converter or rotary converter in order to ensure that recordings are made at the same speed as when done off the mains.
Chillingrolach and Siew and Gula, Chillingrolach and Siew and Voya, Chillingrolach and Siew and Gula, Chillingrolach and Siew and Voya.
Chillinkro, Fayankro, Chillinkro, Gohil. Chillinkro, Fayankro, Ziefu ben voyoch. Chillinkro, Fayankro, Chillinkro, Gohil. Chillinkro, Fayankro, Jefu ben voioch, Chillian Krolachen, Jefu ben Goloch, Chillian Krolachen, Jefu ben voioch, Chillian Krolachen, Jefu ben Goloch, Chillian Krolachen, Jefu ben voioch, Chillian Crow, Fire Crow, Chillian Crow, Goil, Chillian Crow, Fire Crow, Jefu ben voioch, Chillian Crow, Fire Crow, Chillian Crow, Goil, Chillian Crow, Fire Crow, Jefu ben voioch. Chillian Crow, Fire Crow, Jefu ben vetroch, Chillian Crow, Fire Crow, Jefu ben voioch.
Push to Be or mouth music was a particular favourite of Peggy McRae's, and here I selected two less well-known songs and put them to the accompaniment of a Cape Breton-style piano vamp and some traditional Hebridean step dance from my friend Flora Cummings, recorded all the way over in Seattle. What would John Campbell have thought if he knew that one day we would be able to send his recordings to the other side of the world and have contributions from musicians there? The first, Porscht I Imbolabo, is a traditional song sung at Halloween time.
Sure, come on.
Himbelenbo and himbelenbo and himbelenbo, hippopopo and Talian hooting and Talian hooting and Talian hooting and Talian and Gladian, himbelenbo and himbelenbo and himbelenbo, hippopopo and
Bempalapo, bempalapo, empalapo, empalapo, bempalapo, bempalapo, empalapo, empalapo, darling a cutigan, darling a cutigan, darling a cutigan, can hear in a clottigan, darling a cutigan, darling a cutigan, darling a cutigan, can hear in a clottigan, empalapo, bempalapo, empalapo, empalapo, bempalapo, bempalapo, empalapo, empalapo, haklan vekka valamui, haklan vekka valamui, haklan vekka valamui, Amerikas en Lenin, haklan vekka valamui, haklan vekka valamui, haklan vekka valamui, Amerikas en Lenin, empalapo, 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 kjæruk, kjærgille, kjæruk, firklinje, kjæruk, kjærgille, rischen kan i tandi, kjæruk, kjærgille, kjæruk, firklinje, kjæruk, kjærgille, rischen kan i tandi, metelen gille, keres getta be kailun, jo metelen gille, keres rischen kan i tandi, metelen gille, keres getta be kailun, jo metelen gille, keres rischen kan i tandi, kjæruk, kjærgille, kjæruk, firklinje, kjæruk, kjærgille, rischen kan i tandi, kjæruk, kjærgille, kjæruk, firklinje, kjæruk, kjærgille, rischen kan i tandi, metelen gille, keres getta be kailun, jo metelen gille, keres rischen kan i tandi, metelen gille, keres getta be kailun, jo metelen gille, keres rischen kan i tandi.
Kwam weken Valemoeia, kwam weken Valemoeia, kwam weken Valemoeia, Minaka Sedenen. She was a blue, she was a blue, she was a blue, is a Minaka Sedenen, the Yimbalabo, and the Yimbalabo, hippopopo,
Home Lennon is an example of one of the many hundreds of walking songs collected by John. It begins with Gaelic conversation about songs and which one to record next, and Annie MacDonald asking if she's ready to start now. It concludes with one of the few recordings we have of Margaret speaking a few words of Gaelic and saying that she hopes that Annie's name will be heard, quote, all over Europe. So splendid is the song.
This is the 4th of June, 1955, on the Isle of Canna, Miss Annie MacDonald.
Як буде ходим курс на кутей? Акар мушил. Is het meteen dan is? Не homerlänan. Sommerlänan, himmerlänan, skimmerlänan, period, homerlänan, himmerlänan. Gedig mir av elva strana haun gamino homelenan himelenan Gwachadara mach morlenan no jaisbach an lichu cool homelenan himelenan Ina gavoran pochter an mis munjan Oran bishop she oran bishop garna bistúne saku oran newtrum or she oran pochter de visigatu bistúne tak an taigen change na morfin oran pochter
Gaine kayem hingo chaluf Homolanen ganan trur Homolanen hemolanen Shemolanen am ferur Homolanen hemolanen Hoors mir is geruim verbaan Jere gars der barentol Homolanen hemolanen Heet Jesus tövan nu die hikke nu sir vauchul Homolanen hemolanen Shemolanen am ferur Homolanen hemolanen Shemolanen gille callum carpenter and daddy hoor Homolanen hemolanen Shemolanen am ferur Homolanen hemolanen Achen jehok vormolanen de vjalu vjan nog nangun Homolanen hemolanen Ne vjalu lenje nang koten de vjalu tochik nesmu Homolanen hemolanen Shemolanen am ferur Homolanen hemolanen Föt I minner skor och vassig Hamo chasir stashi hor Homolanen hemolanen Shemolanen am ferur Homolanen hemolanen Shemolanen am ferur Homolanen hemolanen
Oh, well, I mean, Torres, you could. Nicht. Who was of Torres, the nicht? I mean, who was of Torres, the very good see on it till for came.
Splendid.
I was given my day, but I know Torres is my case.
Oh, well, have we play holiday and be to have me dogs gun denim be our has it all over Europe. Splendid.
My last clip is taken from the last song on the album Keeper and Lasset, Keeper of the Flame. This is my only self-penned song on the album and it's written for the late Magda Sagarzazu, into whose shoes I stepped when I came to work on Cana. Magda, born in the Basque Country, was the previous archivist and lifelong friend of the Campbells, and she devoted her life to Cana and to the archives. She's my daily inspiration, and her wisdom, knowledge, voice and humour is much missed every day. It begins with a clip of Magda and her sister as children singing a Basque song in Cana House itself in the 1960s. Then later in the song, part of the chorus is a nod to the Basque language. Yesterday, tomorrow.
Vegades estar pecho.
Corta eso.
C'est une chanson pour l'église.
Oui.
Jesús en ama, Virginia Maria, Aguricha sokoisa, distira zalia. Agur zeruko eguzki, boskiraz betea, agur bekatarien, kaiatez tarpea, agur bekatarien, kaiatez tarpea.
To veha marafat Beskeonach Hula Shindy Ria van Chirna Grain Ugarig Nyaga Van Chesna Grain Gas Shit Makalistri Havanat Luas is Joseph no good cheating. Ura, son como slan is bjofanosh. Pony and down, go yallen te green. Clear her coulter, her breeder is been. Pony and down, go yallen te green. Our diver dog is our mean it mean. Keep it in lasse, keep it in lasse. Har gilot not live, scale not count is funny. Ishe tokras vad dashling, och morse väg att det skade himaru. Nakta repan på en natt av den lilla blene, boya gale på en challenge igen of korrut. Och ni en down, ko jalen te green. Clear her coulter, her breeder has been. Och ni en down, go yallen te green. Our diver dog is our mean. Keep it in lasse, keep it in lasse, keep it in lasse, keep it in lasse. Oh yama, oh moloi, oh yama, oh moloi. Bye bye, so bye bye, behag. Bye.
So I hope that you've enjoyed this brief introduction to Teach an Sin, and I hope that you're intrigued enough to want to find out more. So please get in touch if you have any queries about the project or the songs. You can email me at fiona@fionamckenzie.org or through my website on www.fionajmckenzie.scot. You can buy the album or tracks if you're interested through most online retailers and at greentracks.com. Thanks again to you all, though, for joining me beside the fireside in Cana House, and especially thanks to all of those of you who've helped me realise my ambition, including the financial support from the Moyn and Yallen Gaelic Fund through Fashion and Gale and from the Campbell Discretionary Fund. But a special thanks to Green Tracks and to Ian Green for having the faith in me to hopefully produce something of interest and worth. Moran, Moran Tain Gaivulu.